What I loved most about the retreat was the vibe, the energy, and the people, and what they brought to the retreat. Everyone together, the sense of community that you get where land meets sea, and it's amazing. And having the scholars as well, the knowledge that they possess is it's overwhelming, alhamdulillah.
The whole concept of where sea meets land, the point at which hearts have gathered and experienced the bliss of gatheredness, brings me to the whole concept and the whole idea and principle of oneness and unity, which is in fact the ultimate goal that we all strive for. That is really what I'm taking away from here. The emergence of a new Muslim identity, a new Muslim face. Exciting and yet challenging at the same time.
I hope that we can see the same thing in everywhere. Get the people together, let them understand each other, knowing their cultures, knowing new brothers and sisters, being in a presence of ulama where they're close to them, they can ask them, they can sit with them, they can eat with them, they can play with them, which is something for me it is amazing and extraordinary. So I wish that Allah bless us with health and opportunity to come again here.
I'm optimistic that this will continue to grow, that personalities will continue to meet in heart, spirit and in mind, and continue to share and enter into dialogue meaningfully that will result in the expansion of the Muslim consciousness in relation to its purpose of being here. And I certainly will go back home and invite and share this experience and pray that I will not be the only South African at the next retreat, inshallah.
Thank you so much for attendance, and thank you so much for listening, and may Allah benefit you in your life to make all the knowledge you have learned at this time, to make it happen in your life, to practice it so that can benefit others, inshallah.
You have to actually come to this retreat to actually feel the energy, the vibe, the positivity that surrounds everyone. Alhamdulillah.